Thank you for buying this 22008 storage bin from Fixture Displays. These are the detailed dimensions. This is a good size bin, not very large. I'll say it's medium or small. Um, it has a tree top that you can put more items on top, or you can stack them on top of each other. This bin is well made, molded, durable engineering plastic. As you can see, the inside of the container, the four corners, have reinforcements for greater deal of durability. This would be an excellent item to put your clothing, uh, articles, stationery, or even food items inside to keep them well organized and easy to access. This makes a great organizer either for a closet or your pantry or office or school projects. Any questions? Feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. The thickness of the tray is fairly beefy. It's a comfortable and sturdy unit. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave good seller feedback along with a product review. Not only organize sunglasses, but also use this on your vanity to store your makeup items. Or you can use this for your travels. Just keep everything that you need handy. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.